While it's common knowledge that eating and vegetables is good for one's health, incorporating them into daily diets can be more challenging. On average, just 1 in every 10 adults in the US meets the recommended intake allowance of 2 to 3 cups per day for any vegetables, according to a 2021 government health report. That rate is even lower among men and young adults. Watch on to discover some of the best nutritional choices for getting the recommended daily intake of fruits and vegetables. Number 1 is chives. Nutrient-dense chives are much more than just a topping for potatoes. Rich in folate, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, research indicates that eating chives may help reduce the risk of some cancers. Their high choline content can help improve sleep, memory, and mood. Chives are usually available with other fresh herbs at the grocery store, and they are also quite easy to grow in a garden or container. Number 2 is red leaf lettuce. Red leaf lettuce adds a little pizzazz to any salad, as well as a boost of vitamins A and K. While it's considered a zero-calorie food, the added vitamins and flavor make it a better choice than other zero-calorie greens like iceberg lettuce, which has high water content and only trace amounts of vitamins. Number 3 is arugula. This zesty Mediterranean green, also known as Italian freeze or rocket, has a peppery flavor that adds a kick to any dish. High in fiber, calcium, potassium, and folate, it can be served as part of a salad, on sandwiches and pizza, or even as an alternative to basil when making pesto. Arugula can also be added to cooked dishes, giving it a mellower flavor. Number 4 is red and green tomatoes. Technically, tomatoes are a fruit, but most people prepare them as a vegetable and serve them with veggies. Originally from South America, tomatoes can be found in any grocery store and are easy to grow in gardens and containers. Red and green tomatoes are a good source of fiber, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin K, and folate. Tomatoes also contain an antioxidant that offers numerous health benefits like reducing the risk of heart disease. Number 5 is plantains. Starchy like a potato, but high in vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, potassium, and magnesium. Plantains are an often overlooked superfood. They are common in many tropical climates, but not as popular in the US, despite being available at many grocery stores. Plantains are not as sweet as traditional bananas and should be cooked before eating. They can be sauteed, baked, or grilled, and they work well as a side dish to any protein or salad.